Alright boys, so today we're starting my series of videos where I'll be working on stuff. So of course that's what we need, and that's what we like. So yeah, working on stuff video. So today, as you can see, we've got Hyper 7, the friggin' buggy. Yeah, so we'll work on it today. I'll change rear A-arms. I've got just not just A-arms, I'll change friggin' knuckles and top friggin' link mounts as well. No, top friggin' arms, because I've got that from eBay. I've got that really cheap, so I'm not just saving a few things. I'll just use it as it is. Yeah, so it's got even bearings inside, as you can see. So yeah, friggin' right. And then I'll change rear friggin' mount. I've got that from eBay, very cheap. It says £3, but I've got for £0.50 from eBay with one postage with the same new cranger differential. But for now I don't need that, but it's very cheap. I've got that for £1, and then I've got front friggin' roll bar, anti-roll bar, I'll say. Yeah, so I'll install this, and I've got some more parts. I've got some spare friggin' drives front, very good price, and some more parts for differentials. This one is a cup with gaskets, so a lot of service parts for cheapy, so that's what I like. Yeah, magic of eBay. So let's stop freaking around and let's just start. So of course we need to take body off. Yeah, take body off. Keep that separate because now we don't need that. And yeah, first thing is unscrew a few bits. I'll take I think I'll take wheels off. I'll find right friggin' key for that. Oh, here it is. Yeah, so yep, done. Deckard wheels, quite boldy, but you know, whatever, still working good. So good bashing wheels. Alrighty, so now we'll take freaking skid plate off. I'll just take bringing all back. No. I'll just I'll keep screws in one place. I'll just set it a little bit better, like that, and zoom a little bit, yeah, then you can see what I'm doing. And so take screws off, 4 of them. I like them skid blades. It's a T-bone. I think it's American make company making that. Quite good. I got that very cheap from eBay as used, but you can find a lot of new skid plates for nearly every models, or at least for many buggies and truggies. We've got mess in here. Not very nice, but that's not a problem. That's not a problem. I'll just clean that with friggin' white tissues. So just a quick wipe. Look at that, very nice. Look, now it's good. One more. That's why I said that buggy is a freaking dirty one. So I've got some of my friggin' dental tools. I'll just use them. I like that kind, friggin' dental stuff. I just love dental freaking tools. I've got a lot of them. Very strong, very precise, and that's what we like when we're working on stuff. So, yeah. I still got a bit of cold, but I'll just recover it. So, oh yeah, oh, that's what I like. Dirty stuff, dirty. Say 4 screws out and that's it, and friggin' model is in pieces. Catch this one around here, something like that, and then two and a half here. Mostly is a 2.5 everywhere in this model. So, as I said before in previous video, that's friggin' bent screw, but I'll fix it. That's it. Oh, it's beauty, look. Whoops, I don't know if you can see that, but it's freaking bent. Yeah, but that's not a problem. Few whacks of a hammer, it'll be good as new. So we'll leave that part for now. Just plug exhaust. And friggin' right. Got dirty back on this friggin' model. As you can see, it's a quite big play. Now actually A-arms are not too bad, but I've decided to change it, so I think I'll do it anyway. Yeah, I'll just do it anyway. I've got new parts, so I don't really care. There was many friggin' strong jumps this year, so let's just change it to a new one. So we need, I think, 3mm in here. 3mm. Some pliers. Okay, a screw. Freaking nut. Sorry. Screw this. That's it. Done. Pull it out like that. Give it a clean wipe. Quick friggin' wipe. Make sure it's nice and clean, and that's good enough. Still straight, no problem. It's not bent. I like that. And then one more. Alright. So good that. Quick friggin' cleaning. Yeah, very nice. That's good. Okay, now. Oh yes. Friggin' dirty one. We'll go here, I think 2.5 as well. Yeah, 2.5. And in this video I'll change back, but in the next video I'll service all differentials, so that'll be quite a big job. So we'll see. Blocked. So we need small help. It's help here. So just stab it here like that. Should be easier to pull it out. If not, it's brutal power sometimes. It's not so easy. Dog bones for now, and friggin' anti-roll bar. We've got here. Well, it's plugged with dirt. It's good, I think. And the dirt primer is very nice to use. Okay, we can do it, no problem. done. Another one to the collection. And now we've got a problem with that friggin' shop. What's going on? Let's use power. No. This is not so easy, so I'll just use my good friggin' pliers and that's it, done. And now this one here, 2.5 again. Yep. Actually, we need pliers again. Or we can use professional friggin' key for that, yeah. And let's make this video a bit professional. So I'll use that, because then people will say, oh man, you're not professional because you're not using professional tools. So here we go, got professional tools, yeah. And who said I'm professional? Who said I'm professional? Some people say I'm professional, but sometimes when I'm watching other YouTubers, how they working, then I'm thinking, oh, that's good, I don't know that, so you know, I'm learning, still learning, so come on, this freaking screw is so long. Big sink. Oh yeah, I know. So we've got, no, it's not too bad, it's just a little bit decked, I'll say, yeah. But you know, I think that part is good enough. Top arm is not too bad. Actually, it's not too bad. You know, I'll still keep friggin' parts. Because actually it's not too bad, you know, but I'm changing anyway. Alright, let's unscrew this. Two and a half again. No, not this one, not so easy. I'll just stop freaking around and I'll do my way, yeah. Oh yeah. Push the freaking pin out, if I can. If not, we need a hammer. Hammer. That's a proper tool for that. Is that friggin' screw? Alright, let's try to pull it out. Not so easy, boys. Hang on, I think I need a... friggin' tools. More tools. Holy. Bam. That's it, I think. Maybe one more time. Yeah, it's coming out. Oh yeah, friggin' right. Done. Got that out. We got friggin' drive out. It's good, like new. Let's give it a friggin' quick cleaning. Also, it's just dust and dirt, so make sure it's nice, it's clean. It's quite good. So clean it, and then let's just as you can see, there is a original washer in there, a little one. Can you see the washer here? I think you can see it. So yeah, I'll just keep it as it is, and I'll use the same side. And that's done that. That's yeah, that's what I need. Yeah, so I'll just take that off because I want to keep original screw. 2.5. Yeah, that's what I want to keep as spare. Brand new friggin' screw for suspension, and that's still good, so no, why not use it? So just make sure it's clean, and that's it. What we've got here? All we can have is a lot of dirt, so you know, I'll service differentials in next video. So this video will be just friggin' arms. Rear suspension, actually, full rear suspension. So good. That. Give it a quick wipe, and yeah, put it back together. Make it work. Oh, that's a long screw. There's one more here. And we've got 2mm in here. So many different sizes everywhere. Yeah. So let's take this one off, because that part got enough. And let's just open brand new one. Oh yeah, brand new part. It's exactly the same. This one got 2 years of hard washing, so it's good enough. Mostly holes in here are, decked, so, and that's a brand new one, so, and that should last for quite a long time. So this one size doesn't matter. Inside, sorry. Size is exactly the same. Yeah, size is exactly the same. So yeah, that's done. And then put the screw back in place. Yeah, and then 2 screws right here. Oh, wait, what was that? Another one. Parts all over the place. And we need a screwdriver. Holy, that's a long video. Oops. It'll be like friggin' 40 minutes just changing A-arms. Frick's sake. But, some people saying they like long videos, so, here you go. Here you go. Yep, that's done. That's done. As you can see, I've got aluminum here. That's aluminium friggin' mount. Yeah, see, it's shiny. And yeah, I like it. It's nice. Strong part, no problem with it. So let's just put my new part in place. Where is it? Lost it again. Yeah, it's going like that, I believe. Just like that. And then you need a screw. Yep. Need actually I've got that's upgraded part. So and that's upgraded stuff. So I need 3mm for that. Standard is 2.5. So as you can see, it's a little bit different. A little bit different one. Can't see that very good, but anyway. Okay. And next part, the friggin' nut. Yeah. Make sure it's tight. Then can move without any problem. Yeah, it's good. Now friggin' top mount. Alrighty, I just managed to pull it out from the old part, and yeah, just put it on place. And the friggin' screw, it's right here. I've got that in the middle. Of course, that's upgraded friggin' shock tower, because I've got a lot of upgraded friggin' parts in this buggy. It's not many standards left. Oh man, it's quite a lot, but okay. 2.5 again. So yeah, that's good. And then need to clean that friggin' part a little bit. It's good enough. It's not new. Just make sure there's no dirt in there or anything like that. That'll be okay. So here, it's in place. I've got 2mm friggin' screw like this. I'm using Allen, friggin' Allen keys from Helicopter. It's awesome, very good, comfortable handle. So mostly that's why I'm using that. I've got that like 3 years nearly, and still working good. And of course, if you need, you can change just that, just that part, this friggin' blade. So that's not a big deal. It's good enough. And that. Okay. Here it is. Yeah. I think I lost one part. And here it is. Good. And of course I lost one. I'll find it, I'll do it later on. And that group screw is going here. And that's not a problem for now. It's somewhere here, but I don't know exactly where. Oh, doesn't really freaking matter. So like that, we need to push it a bit. If that's not going, then we need a heavier equipment for that. Alarm tubes. I need some more tools. During service of differentials, I'll clean that and make sure everything is greased. But for now, I'll just put it as it is, because it's no problem with it. So why to make a problem? It's, there's no problem. So just keep that here. Okay, we've got some heavier equipment tubes. Yeah. Push it on place. And that's it. Frick's sake. I thought that would be easy. I need that, and I need another one. Yeah, managed to do it. Holy. Good. I don't like that play, of course. Not enough, it's not enough play. But we'll do that later on, that's not a big deal. Now that friggin' washery thing and nutty. Yeah, so we've got one side ready, yeah? Okay. And of course last thing but not least, it's friggin' shocks. Alrighty, we've got that, and one more screw somewhere. Nope. Nope. Oh yes. I'll just save new one for worse times. But I need really new. Let's use, very good for now, so I'll just use it. We've got a problem. Just stab it in, jam in there a little bit, you know, and jab it like that. Yeah. And just put it back in. Screw it in place. Done. Holy, one side is ready, yeah. And we've got 42 minutes of video. Wow, that's awesome. But I think second part will be a lot easier. So that's easy. Mostly is a lot of cleaning, you know. That's why it's taking so long. It's a lot of cleaning, and because just to change friggin' shocks is like just a few minutes, really. It's not long work, so it's very hard to do. Everybody got some tools and time, can do it quite quickly. So, okay, come on, so long, freak's sake. This now, okay. Oh, this one is easier. Holy. Okay, unscrew this. Freaking Pro Tools. Like a pro, yeah? Okay. Got another problem here. Freak's sake. Come on, come to Papa. I think I've got better tools for that. Oh yeah. That's what I like for the last 20 minutes. Of course I lost it before. Those pliers. Come on. Oh yeah, we've done it. No problem. I've got friggin' hey, I'm losing friggin' tools today. Like big time. Oh wait, all the time something. Sure it's clean and it's good. Good enough. That's even too much for this model, because this model like it dirty. But have good mercy. One time perfume also, you know. Make sure everything is good and clean and not broken. Okay. All we need is that screw from the old one and the hex, which is not easy. Group screw. Holy, that'll be like a 1 hour video. Of course, there's problem with this as well. Holy, why today? Okay, I'll try to do it somehow. Yeah, first try and we're golden. Done. Ooh. I'll save that for another video. Maybe I'll service that. Maybe I'll change friggin' bearings for new. So just clean that. Good. New part. Of course, from new part we need to remove a friggin' screw. This is my friggin' magic tamiyaki, which is quite useful because it's got most popular sizes in nearly every friggin' RC model, so that's good. Okay, and we need that screw out as well. That's done. Okay, so we need a new part. The old drive cup, because it's a perfect condition, so I'm not changing that. X. Line it up with a hole. Jab it there, like that. Okay. Right on. Next one is screw. Just block it somehow. I'm using a screwdriver. Tighten it up. That's it. Done. So we've got that. And then just install it here. Like that. Then we need a screw. Just going here. So it's going around here. Yep, done. Nut. $3mm friggin' Allen key. Tamiya friggin' key. What is it? Tighten it up and then back a little bit. Then you've got probably best play a little bit more. Like a half a turn. That's it, no problem then. Then I need to put that in place. It's quite a lot of friggin' parts. That's easy job. I like to do it, so actually now I'm enjoying. Of course we've got another problem, but just jab it there. What's the problem now? Alrighty, I think we're golden now. Yeah, just like that, I think. Should be good. Oh yeah. Holy, finally. Done. Okay. I'll just clean it a little bit more. Make sure it's good for next time, because it's plugged with dirt. Alrighty. So next one is friggin' shock. I'm using a first hole, which is standard. Second one is really high. But I'm just using a standard high, so it handles better and not so many rollovers, so that's what I like. Done. The same, I'm always using it. Like, jab it there, line up holes, that's it, job done. Sometimes not. Oh yeah, as you can see, no problem. Come on, why that screw so long? Freak's sake. Okay, now they're done. Of course, take the dog bone, make sure it's nice and clean. Can inspect that it's good, because like a liter or two ago I was doing some servicing as well, so I know it's good. I'm not using grease for now. Maybe later on I'll grease it a little bit. But when I'll be doing a service of diffs, so not now, not yet. So I need my freaking heavy duty pliers again. Made in Germany. Oh, hey. Done. Yeah. So the last thing is washer and that tiny nut. And of course my friggin' Tamiya key. Okay, done. And yeah, the biggest problem, but you know, I've got full suspension on back new, so you know, no problem. Just it'll keep me on the road, or RC road. Yeah, so that was Hyper 7 rear suspension replacement. And next video will be servicing diffs and all that, but that'll be maybe during Christmas time or something, if I'll find some you know, free time. That's enough for today, so yeah, keep watching, boys, and yeah, I like it, and I don't know, whatever. Thank you, bye.